back. I switched to public and got my last pumpkin here. So I have 6 now. I'm going to be going into the main map. Head over to the playground and grab this one in the tree. That makes 7. It's going to be a couple over here. One on top of the boat sail. Bam. It's going to be one in the sky up here. Very hard to see at nighttime. Where'd it go? There you are, my pretty. Don't go too high. Gonna skirt across over here and grab one on top of the lighthouse today. And then down to the box. On the beach. You can see it glowing there. So we should have 10 now. 11. Okay, I lied. Oh yeah, 11, the one at the playground. We're going to go to the licensing building on the balcony. Grab one there. I missed this the first time with my main alt, and I was running around like crazy trying to find it. Crazy. Back of the boat. This is a different one for today. I guess Friday they're going to load up. You're going to get a total of 50 purple pumpkins. More on the main map. There's one under this bridge here. Just grab that on the way through. Going to swing over to the side of this building here. Thank you very much. Head over to the toy shop. Oop, I missed one. Back over here. On top of this dead piece of wood. Thank you very much. I don't know if you can hear in the background, I'm watering my grass I planted, trying to get it going before winter, and the hose, the water spray keeps hitting the side of the garage. So, one on top of the train tracks. Yay. What do we got? 17. I am missing one again. 27, 28. Son of a gun. Where did I go wrong? All right, let's see what happens after we do the Sky Castle, cause I already got my one trick-or-treating. I do have to get one. We're going to go to the backside first. Grab that little guy hanging out near the bungee jump. Thank you very much. And inside the Sky Castle. Here we go. Top window. Look to the other side. Top window. Gonna swing down to the potion. Grab that little guy there. In front of the portal. Behind the portal. Up to the window. Thank you very much. Back down. Swing up to this little roof here. Across to this little roof. And then we're going to go up to the train tracks. I'm going to find 2 here. 1. I am stuck on the train tracks. I think I went underneath them. All right, Wyvern. Stop riding. Oh my God, I'm walking on top of the train track. Okay, now we're going to fly. Don't get stuck. Kind of difficult with this pet. All right, what do we got now? We got 28. Oh yeah, okay. Then we're going to swing down and grab the one underneath the bridge to the neighborhood. I should have grabbed that initially. Or you can get it after, it doesn't matter. Got to get the graveyard anyway. So we got the one in the bridge, and then the one in the graveyard, and we're done. So I'm just going to stop the ride. Woo! So much faster. Fly. Ooh, we got lots for sale here. This is a hoppin' server. Trade me. Trade me. No. No thanks. 29 and 30 makes the one at the graveyard, which should be open. This account has no AMCs, 213. So we're just going to pick one, free one for today, and see what we get. Dang. I really wanted some AMC. I mean, candy. So I can get another box. I'm obsessed with these boxes. I have 11 of the evil chicks from all my accounts, so I'm super excited about that. My main has not spent a dime. Yay. All right. Have a great day. Hope you get all the pets you want.